Breakdown. Start. These appeals arises out of the order passed by the Allahabad High Court in election petition number 17 of 2019, allowing the respondents' application under Order 6, Rule 16 and Order 8, Rule 11 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, read with Section 86 of the Representation of the People Act, 1951 (bracket open) hereinafter referred to as Act (bracket close), and thereby dismissing the election petition filed against him. Full stop. The said application was filed in the election petition questioning the election of the respondent Shri Narendra Modi, to the 17th Lok Sabha from 77th Parliamentary Constituency within bracket Varanasi, held in April-May 2019, in the election petition, the appellant had prayed for declaring the election of the respondent to be void on the ground that the appellant's nomination was improperly rejected, and further that the nomination of the respondent was wrongly accepted for want of disclosure of certain facts. Full stop. Further, that the election was vitiated on account of misuse of official power by the returning officer and the election observer. Full stop. After due service, the respondent Shri Narendra Modi filed the application for dismissal of the petition, contending that the petitioner does not disclose any cause of action and the appellant had no locus to file in the petition, and in absence of a certificate. Full stop. The Allahabad High Court, after hearing parties, by a detailed order, dismissed the election petition on the ground that the appellant had no locus to challenge the election of the respondent from the Varanasi parliamentary constituency, since the appellant was neither an elector for such constituency nor was he a candidate. Full stop. Para. The instant appeal accordingly arises from an order passed by the election tribunal while considering and disposing the application filed under Order 8, Rule 11 CPC, seeking rejection of the rejection of the election petition. Full stop. This matter must therefore, necessarily to be decided on the basis of the averments in the election petition and not on the basis of the reply of any of the respondents. Full stop. For the Varanasi constituency, the last date of the filing the nominations was 29/4/2019. Full stop. Scrutiny of the nomination forms was to be held on 30/4/2019. Full stop. We were here mainly concerned with the question of the validity of the appellant's nomination, since that has a direct bearing on the question whether he is candidate and has a right to question the election. Full stop. The appellant was an employee of the Border Security Force and as such held office under the Government of India. Full stop. The appellant was dismissed from service on 19/4/2017. Full stop. He filed two nominations, one on 24/4/2019 and another on 29/4/2019. Full stop. The nominations have been found to be invalid by the returning officer because they were not accompanied by a certificate to the effect that the appellant has not been dismissed for corruption or disloyalty to the state as required by Section 9, subsection 2, read with Section 33 within bracket 2 of the Act. Full stop. Clause 6 of Part 3A of Form 2A of the nomination paper contains a query whether the candidate was dismissed for corruption or for disloyalty while holding officer, full stop.